Hello my queens, it's Dana Persia. Welcome back to my channel. Well, this is the place where you come to learn all things about beauty, skincare from a real pro. I've been a pro makeup artist for 20 years and I own a bridal beauty company. So this is where you come when you want to get the real deal on beauty. Remember to subscribe and hit that bell so you can get notifications on when my videos are uploaded. This next video, I am going to show you how to apply individual eyelashes. Some people have asked me, how do you apply a strip lash? How do you apply individual lashes? And I wanted to do this video because I apply my own lashes. Now I'm a pro, I can do lashes with my eyes closed. On all of our brides and bridal parties, we do strip lashes, individual lashes. But on myself, I prefer to use they're a triple lash. So they're actually 3 lashes stuck together in a sort of like a clump. The ones that I like to use are they're called Knot Free Trio. So they're actually 3 individual lashes stuck together. And these are really easy to put on, and I'm going to show you step by step what tools you need, how to apply them, all of that. So if you want to learn how to put these on yourself and learn how to use the right tools and how to get this look with your eyelashes, I have them on today. And they look really natural. They're really light. They're a little bit lighter than a strip. I love strip lashes, but like I said, for some reason, I feel like I can put these on better than I can put these on. So I hope you like this video. See you later, queens. First, choose which lashes you want to use. These triple clump lashes come in extra short, short, medium. I am going to be using the short because I feel like the medium is too long. Also, you want to have tweezers in various sizes and an eyelash curler because we're going to curl those lashes before we start. And your lash glue, I like to use Striplash glue. I feel like it works really great. So now you're going to curl your lashes and give them a really nice curl. This helps the false lash really settle in there. So you're going to do one eye and you're going to do the next eye. I forgot to mention, you want to have some Q-tips, and the ones with the pointy ends are really great. These lashes come with a little glue pocket, as you can see, and my next step is to fill the glue pocket with a little glue. Take your tweezer and gently lift the lash and hold it by the end so that the root of the lash is exposed. And then you can just dip it into the glue. Don't put too much on. I'm probably using oh yeah, that's definitely too much. Sometimes that happens, so you're going to take it off and then just dry it a little, even blow on it. Now, if I was working on a client, I wouldn't be blowing on the lash, that's unsanitary. But for myself, I can do that. So the reason that you let it dry for a few seconds is you want the glue to be a little bit tacky. If it's too wet, the lash tends to slip around. Now, I'm not using individual lash glue because if you tried these with the clear individual lash glue, they could stay on for a couple days. And I really don't like my lashes to stay on for a couple days. Oh, this is a really handy tool. You might have seen these in your lash kit if you buy it for a strip lash. I break them in half. I don't use them to apply, but I actually use them as a tool to kind of just put that lash into place. Right at the root is where you want it, always. The glue is going to dry clear. It's not going to be white, so you don't have to worry about that. But I like that little tool, and you can sanitize it, you can alcohol it and keep it for later. And now I'm going to go in and put a lash on the right eye. So what I'm going to do is go from left to right from left to right. I feel like if I do that, I know exactly how many lashes I'm placing. It gives the other eyelash time to dry. The trick is, like I said, to go from one eye to the next eye, placing the lashes directly next to the lash you just put on. They should sit at the root of the lashes. Now at this point, I only have 2 lashes on each eye at the corner, and you may choose to stop there just to give your eyes a little lift, and then you can put some mascara on and you're done. But we're gonna keep going. Like I mentioned before, you can use those pointy Q-tips in case you put a little bit too much glue on the lid, and you can just take it off. I will say, in case you are one hand dominant and the other, I am right hand dominant. When I go to do my left eye, it's a little tricky. You kind of have to flip the lash around and hold it in a different way, but you'll get the hang of it the more that you do it. But like I said, it is a little tricky doing it the first time. Like I said, I use the short individual lashes because for me they're long enough, but when I get toward the inner corner, I will often use 1 or 2 of the extra short for the inner corner. I feel like it looks more uniform. Okay, we are just about finished. As you can see, I think that's all I'm going to be using. And again, the glue is still white, it's going to dry. You can use the packaging. Sometimes I use a fan on my clients, an electric fan or a fancy fan. Next, you would put your eyeliner on if you wanted to, but I'm not going to use eyeliner today. I'm just going to use mascara. Sometimes you just don't need eyeliner. I do have pencil eyeliner on the bottom and mascara, but now you want to blend your lashes with the false lash. This is great, especially for my blondes who have very light lashes. You definitely want to use black mascara to blend your own lashes, and it gives everything just a nice finished look. So that's pretty much it. And one of the great things about lashes, especially right now we're all wearing masks, is they really make your eyes pop. So if you want to focus on your eyes, there you have it. Have a great day, queens.